walk around and test run for a Ford 134 4-cylinder engine power plant from a Fairmont A4D speeder. Transmission is a Warner T9. The engine and power plant have been totally rebuilt. It was salvaged from a motor car that was in the '93 flood in St. Louis. The engine was in pretty horrible shape, full of water. The engine's been torn down. New sleeves, new pistons, extensive headwork, new valves and seats, and the entire power plant's been retrofitted for LP gas. So you can see the regulators below. Let's take it for a test drive. The engine's also been equipped with an SAE hydraulic pump mount for live hydraulics. It was an original Ford mount casting. It was extensively modified by Brecky Ironworks, a local machine shop, to accommodate an SAE mount. And a big thanks to John at Northwest Transmission Parts for finding a couple of gears and some bearings for what clearly is an antique transmission.